wanted to share about the new ice cream scooping cone set. They come in a set of 4, 2 blue and 2 white. And now you don't have to wash your scoop in between different flavors. So if one person wants the triple chocolate, you just go in and you scoop it up. And there's theirs. There's theirs. There's theirs. There's theirs. And then if somebody else wants moose tracks, you can scoop theirs up. That's for my cameraman. Or I want mint and chocolate. There's mine. So these are pretty cool. Helps with portion control also, but you can still have your ice cream. Thanks for watching.